Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to manage mirror fold settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the screen behind the steering wheel. Here you can navigate by using both arrows on your steering wheel, the left and the right. Let's highlight here the settings. So let me press the right arrow a few times, highlight settings and press OK to confirm it. And under settings, you've got here a few interesting things. So let's scroll down here and let's choose here the vehicle settings. So here I have the vehicle settings. Let's press OK to confirm it. Under vehicle settings, you can scroll down to select here the mirror fold. Let's just press it, and this menu determines the behavior of your power folding side mirrors. You can choose auto fold off. What it does, it disables the automatic folding and unfolding feature entirely. This is highly recommended in winter when there is freezing rain or heavy snow. If ice builds up the mirror hinge, the motor might get damaged and trying to force to open them. You can also choose here unfold at power on. The mirrors stay folded even after you unlock the car and get inside. They only unfold when you press the start button to turn the car's power on. Benefit: keeps the car slim while you are loading passenger or luggage in a tight parking spot. You can also choose the third option, which is unfold on unlock. What does the mirrors unfold the moment you unlock the car, either by the key fob or by approaching the door. Benefit: it gives you an immediate visual confirmation from a distance that the car is unlocked and ready to go. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider to leave a like. Bye.